Have you heard of the Christian Illumin? The visionary expert creating unforgettable drone displays. Christian Illumin, a leading figure in drone entertainment, has redefined the art of aerial displays with its innovative and mesmerizing shows. With over 20 years of aviation experience, Christian combines technical precision with creative storytelling, captivating audiences worldwide. His company, Illumin Drone Show Inc., has achieved remarkable successes, including performances at major festivals and creating the first New Year's Eve drone countdown in Canada. Committed to safety and sustainability, Christian's vision approaches the continuation of the push of the boundaries for what drones can achieve, believing that making them a staple in modern entertainment may be the way to go, keeping things safer than, of course, using traditional fireworks. Let me know your thoughts about this visionary experts company, and where do you think we are going with drones, and is it the right place to have them be in entertainment? I'm curious. Let me know.